DIY envelope. So let's get started. So the things that we will need is paper, a pen, or color pencil or pencil, glue, a ruler, and scissors, and any picture you like. So let's start with the paper. You can take a fancy or plain, any kind of paper, and I'm using a fancy paper. So the first step is to make it square. Now you can cut the excess piece. After you cut the paper into a square, spin it. After it's nice and after it's like a triangle, can you see the tip? Now you can fold it. Now you have to fold it. Now open the small triangle and fold it the other side. Now you have to open the full paper. Now close the small tip and then make it like this. Now the tip will not show. Once you got it like this, it should be like this. Now you can fold the corners. Now let's glue the small piece. Now take the edge of the folded piece and make it into a triangle and then make it open like a diamond. Now you can see it here. Now you can just and the diamond piece will be the lock of the envelope. Now we are going to stick this van on the envelope because it's going to travel. So let's stick it. If your envelope is bigger, you can print out a bigger picture. Oops. And you can do it on the front or the back, and I did it on the back. Then you can write the one on the front. Now you can. Now I'm going to draw something. Now I'm going to make designs on the envelope. There is your envelope. You can see it here one more time. And that's how you make a DIY envelope. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Bye!